How to fix username not allowed in WhatsApp. Now, if your WhatsApp is also showing that username isn't allowed, there might be two reasons for this. In order to know them, just simply go into this page. Whenever it says the username isn't allowed, tap to learn more. And once you tap in there, it will open this page where it will show the two reasons for the username is not being allowed. First one is to certain usernames are reserved for celebrities, business owners and governments and all those things. And the other reason might be the possible violations of WhatsApp terms and conditions. Now in this case, what can you do? You can do two things. First one is to change your username completely, and the second one is to add some numbers or tap to suggest a username button, which will change your username slightly and you can save it. So this is only thing that you can do, or you can wait few months for the more updates. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.